my YouTube channel. So thank you. So in the last video, we have let's see what have we created. So first of all, I will run this one, and you can see that it is asking hi. So hello, okay, 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 it's program. Our program is working. You can see. So okay, let's see whether it will split or not. Okay, it is not splitting. So we will manual how to do this. I don't. Okay, no problem. So I will write wrong me. So it's saying that invalid command. So let's see whether it is exit or no. First of all, I will try to play. Okay, okay. We will YouTube invalid command. So let's see what's the command is to play music. So here is song A. Okay, let's type song. Enter the song. So okay, Melu of night. Let's see whether it is playing or not. Okay, it is playing. Okay, so for the copyright reason, we will not play. So now we will try to exit. Okay, our function is good. So in my mind today, I have thought that we should add a function that it will speak. It speak what we write. So first of all, for this we have to import a module. Import UIDD. So from here we will let's okay, let's move forward with this. So how to use VR? Speak. Okay. Let's save it and try to run it. So okay, no module found. It means that we have to import draw PYTTS X3. It will take a little bit time. So it is not necessary because nowadays a chatbot is doing a pretty well job. So you don't need to computer speak because it takes any space and time. So that's why we don't use. But I don't have any suggestions and function for today. That's why now we will run our okay. Let's see. It's working. What have so speak. viewers. How are you? Please like and comment.
Hello viewer, how are you? Please like and comment.
Thank you, boss. But come on. Okay, let's again. It's very you are so beautiful. You like me?
You are so very cool. Did you like me?
Thank you. Thank you. So, so that's it for today. I hope you like my today's video. So please share your thoughts, ideas in the comment section so I can make update in my AI bot. So until the next video, take care yourself. Bye bye.